have done a lot of extended research because I've written a thesis statement on this and everything around that. I've divided the garment sector into two sections, the ready-made wear and the handloom, the traditional wear. Today I'm going to be talking about both. So here is how I've sort of outlined it, and we're going to dig into the Bangladesh garment textile industry. It's a $30.18 billion export industry. Bangladesh is known for being number 2 in jute production. So I'm going to be talking about the Bangladesh garment industry today, and I'm going to give a little brief overview of it because some of us here might not know what we're talking about and just everything around that. So here are some pictures that I've collaborated, and I've also brought in the handloom industry in the pictures as well because I'm going to be basing and touching upon that too. So the objective for today and in the brochure is basically to identify and solve the transformations of the Bangladesh garment industry and to recommend $1 billion. Sorry. These are 2014. It's 2014 data. That's fine. So the capital